Imagine on a cold winter day, still feeling sunny warmth. Meet SUNKOS, a far-infrared electric heater without wind, light, or noise. An elegant design with highly efficient heating output. The far-infrared rays reach you directly. SUNKOS heats up quickly without blowing dust around. The surface consists of an advanced aramid fiber mesh. Warming rays like sunlight radiate from the efficient heating film in a steady stream. The heat energy penetrates into the surroundings, providing comforting warmth anywhere you need it. Being warm and comfortable has never been so easy. Bring sunlight into every corner. Place it anywhere you like. SUNKOS instantly gives you 2 square meters of heated space. Enjoy warmth without noisy fans, so you can focus on the things you love most. With its flame-retardant materials and temperature algorithm sensor, SUNKOS delivers a safer and more reliable heating experience. It's user-friendly and safe for children and the elderly.
Hey, Alexa, turn on the heater.
Body care becomes so simple. SUNKOS is a great companion for your serene and cozy living. Convenient and intuitive controls. Need ventilation? Go ahead. SUNKOS is designed for semi-open spaces. Air movement does not affect far-infrared heating. You can work on DIY projects smoothly while staying warm. This is the SUNKOS Sunshine Electric Heater. Embrace a new heating experience and bring sunshine home.